Welcome to the Business Behind the Scene podcast with Francesca Moi, where we talk all about real business problems, real solutions, and getting actual results in your business. Hello. Welcome to episode number 94 of Business Behind the Scene. My name is Francesca Moi. Welcome to another episode. Today we're talking about how to have a fully proof strategy to lead generation. So many business owners go ahead and in the business and work so hard to try to get clients, and they forget to get a strategy in place and a funnel in place that you can have forever leads. And you have leads that keep coming through, they follow you, they know who you are, and they love you. And that way you're going to have a long-term success. So we're going to talk about that today. But first, I want to tell you guys, I've just been on holidays and I come back super refreshed and I loved it. And while I was at the airport, I was flying out and I was a little bit worried about my business because most of the leads at the moment, I'm the one converting them, and 90% of them. And since COVID, the business has changed. And so a lot of it is on me. And the moment I was at the airport, one of my team converted one person into our Mafia Academy. I was like, yes, this is the dream. That's what you want, right? You're at the airport, someone else convert a $5,000 package for you. Yay, winning. And then when I got to beautiful Hamilton Island, it was at the time of my life. It was so beautiful. I kept getting a notification that was like bookings for our half-day workshops and tickets sold, and viewers for our podcast were boosting and everything. Like it was like, oh my gosh, this is the dream. Like I'm away, I'm on holiday, and everything is working for the business, and everybody's doing their thing. And then one of our beautiful Gold members upgraded to VIP, and I was like, I came back going, okay, this is the best holiday ever. While I was on holiday, my team converted over $25,000 in sales. I'm like, yes, winning. This is it. This is how we roll. And then when I came back on holiday, another 60,000 in sales this week, just from, my team last week booking all the calls. And this week we had a workshop, plus we have booked calls. So it's just like incredible, the momentum that there is in the business when we just take time off. So if you haven't taken time off, I strongly recommend that you stop and you go. Take time off, enjoy, relax, because magic happens when you recharge, when you rest, when you stop fighting and pushing. So I've come back, I'm relaxed, I'm enjoying, and I've got next week I've got one day off, one Wednesday, and then after that we've got an amazing workshop, and then after that I'm going away again. I'm going away on holiday for 2 weeks this time, so I'm gonna have to record some of this podcast before, because I am not working. I'm gonna go on Pumpkin Island, an island in the middle of the north of Queensland, and it's gonna be amazing. So I am really excited about that. So anyway, back to you, back to telling you how you can set this up, right? So people see my business and they go like, how do you get all these leads? How do you get all these people? Well, because I have momentum in the business. I grew a following, a strong stream of leads that know me, follow me, see me around, and slowly we tick boxes until people go, I want your help. Help me. What are you doing that I'm not doing? Why do you have all these leads? How do you do it? Right. So this is what you want to do for your business. You want to set up the stream of leads, of people that come to you and come and want to work with you, and therefore they're going to be warmer, right? So too many business owners concentrating way too much time and energy in the bottom of the funnel, looking after the client and forgetting about creating a following, nurturing the leads at the top of the funnel. So this is where I come in. This is where the Mafia Academy can help you. This is where we can help you, support you to create your own community, Facebook group and meetup group, and get really people supported and created a structure around your tribe, and how you can get them to love you, trust you, and like you, and tick boxes and have everything that they need in this community. And then once they get all this stuff for free, they're gonna be like, oh wow, I just take. One lady the other day was like, take my money. She joined the gold membership in the Mafia, and they're like, take my money. I get what you guys do. I love it. Go, take my money. I'm ready. Let's do it. Right. So it's really cool to see how many people are just like, now ready to buy from me because I've been around for so long. And even people that don't know me, now they are leads, they're brand new leads, they come into the group, they see that we got 10,300 people, they see the value that we have, they see the testimonials from my clients, and they go, okay, that's it, I need to work with this person, right? So very, very important that you think about your future and think about how important it is for you to build that strong tribe on top of your funnel that is going to be people that want to work with you, that want to engage with you, that want to take your, your business, your offer, your programs. So if you are not doing any of that, if you're not nurturing your tribe, if you're not nurturing your followers, then you are missing out. So ask yourself, what are your free stuff? What are you doing for free consistently? Consistently, that is going to be seen from people. So I'll tell you all the things that I do, and then you tell me what you're not doing of this. And I really strongly recommend that if you are not driving, you sit down and take notes, because this is where I'm going to tell you exactly what we do at the top of the funnel. And now, obviously, at the beginning, we were not doing all of this, but we're doing a lot of this. And then eventually, I started to get more staff members. And now, as you know, we've got 6 virtual assistants and 3 people in Australia. And plus, we've got contractors and salespeople as well to help us and support us. So this is what I do. So first and foremost, I am active every single day. I'm active on my personal profile on Facebook. Every single day I post, I share, I talk about my life, what I'm up to, all of that. It's happening in my awesome personal profile on Facebook. Then the other thing that I do very much consistently, and I'm literally doing it right now, and as I'm speaking to you, because I wanted to really show people that that's exactly what I do. I record my podcast in my beautiful office, and I just said I record my podcast, but what I meant is say I record my podcast from here. So this is another of the things that I do for free. But what I was trying to say, because I literally multitask right now as I was live. So here you go. You guys see what type of person I am. I multitask and I do different things. So I was going live in my story on Instagram. So I do that as well. So I do my stories on Instagram every day. And then my team, my virtual assistant, repurpose everything that I do. So they repurpose this podcast, they transcribe it and create content for this. They get my Instagram story and post it, and again on Facebook. They transcribe, they get my personal profile post and put it in my business page, in my Instagram, in my LinkedIn, in other people's Facebook group. Right? They repurpose my content everywhere. Now, the other thing that I do at the top of the funnel, I post on other people's Facebook group to build trust, to get people to follow me. I also then created my Facebook group and my meetup group, and I am active every week, once a week. I do a half an hour of free coaching inside of my Facebook group called Workshop Secret for Coaches. And there is another way that I get people to follow me. I obviously wrote 3 books. One of them is the bestseller, and these 3 books are out there and people buy them on Amazon, they buy them on audiobook. There's different things that they do, and that's another way that I build trust with people. What else do I do at the top of the funnel, my friends? I've got an email list. Of course, I've got an email list of 20,000 people, and that email list is quite hot and consistent, and we write to those people quite a lot, and lots of engagement in my email list as well. So out of all of those things, think about what you're doing. Which one are you, right? And then the other thing that I do, little secret, I sometimes do really good coaching for my clients. And so we cut up some of it, put it together into a little video, and then we pass it on to my followers. We go like, hey, we did a coaching on blah, blah, blah. Who wants it? It's for my clients only, but today I'm going to share it with all of you. And it's just like, boom, people are like, yeah, me. And it's fantastic stuff, because it's like, I don't have to spend more time. It's the same time, and it's leveraged in different things. So this is pretty much what I do. And I do all of those things at the top of my funnel to be able to get people to see me, like me, trust me, and to want to say yes to the next thing. So I do a podcast. So just to summarize it, we talk about a personal profile, a business page, Instagram, obviously in other platforms as well, a Facebook group, meetup group, and email list. And then we repurpose all of this stuff in multiple other platforms, and we put ourselves out there. And obviously I forgot about my meetups. I also run meetups. I don't run them anymore like I used to, more than 12 times a year, once a month. We now run them like probably like once or twice or 3 times a month. We run a lot less, but when we run them, they're really big. So yeah, these are all the things that we do at the top of the funnel to get the engagement going, to get the people to know who we are, what we do, and people recognize me, people know who I am, and that's from there where I build that trust from the people to say yes faster and easier. That is the key. That is the skills. And if you're not doing any of that, or even some of that, or even a quarter of that, think about it. Think about it, because it's like, how do you get the momentum? Your clients are watching you, your potential clients, I should say, they're watching you on social media. Actually, they can't even find you on social media right now, right? Is that the truth? But the moment that they could find you, if there's no momentum in your social media, they're not going to think highly of you. Even if you are the most amazing coach out there, they're going to think like, oh, this is weird. This person doesn't have any following whatsoever. But if you do, they're going to watch you until they're ready to buy. And they're going to say, I've been watching you. Tell me what to do. Let's go. Take my money. Right? But if you don't have the momentum, you're not going to be able to get them to say, yes, I want more. So listen, find a system in place for you to be consistent, because a lot of you do it for a week and then disappear, and then do it for 2 weeks and then disappear because it's a lot. You feel overwhelmed, you feel frustrated, you feel it's too much. Put a system in place for you to be consistent. And that's what we do in the Mafia Academy. So if you need more consistency in your business and you go like, you know what, Francesca, I've been listening to your podcast for months and months and months. I love every single episode. I can't wait for Friday to get the new episode for the week. So tell me how to do this. Show me what to do. Show me how to get organized. Show me how to get consistent. Show me what to post and how to get people to say yes to the next level. And I'm in. So listen, if that's you, go to my Facebook, message me and say, Francesca, I've been listening to your podcast. You told me to go and message you and say, I am ready for a game changer call. I don't want to wait anymore. Show me how to do it. Take my money and make me money. You can literally say that. I would love to hear from you, and hopefully you don't wait too long. I'm about to pass all my conversations or my game changer calls to my team. I've been coaching my team for a couple of months and they are ready to take it. So if you don't hurry up, you're never going to have this one-on-one with me, but you're going to have it with my team. So you still have a chance to get on board and have a game changer call with me, Francesca Moi, in person. The other day I was talking to one person on Zoom. She's like, you're real. I've been listening to your podcast for so long. You are real. I'm like, yeah, I'm real. Welcome to this Zoom call, this Zoom room. You're with me. Let's go. Let's do a game changer call. And in that game changer call, we have a look. Where are you at? What is your gaps? What is your funnel? What are you doing and you're not doing what you could be doing? And what would happen if you were doing all of that? And then we tell you, let's go. And then we work together. And then it's going to be a magical 12 months together, and you're going to be transformed. Today, one of my clients, David, just told us, Francesca, I just joined the Mafia 30 days ago. Today is day 30, and I just made 5K in 30 days. Thank you very much. You are welcome, David, and you're welcome, all of you Mafians, and you're welcome, all of you followers. I love you all. You have a fantastic day, a fantastic week, and I will see you next week. Go and get some following, people. Let's do it. Hey, if you enjoy listening to this podcast, then you have to come to check out our Facebook group, Workshop Secrets for Coaches. It's a community of over 9,500 coaches that are ready to boom their business by running workshops. They are stuck in one-on-one coaching and they're ready to start to go one-to-many. So if you are one of those coaches, then you have to join us. I look forward to see you there. And hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave me a review to win a ticket to one of my workshops. I look forward to see you there.